Welcome, dear children. Standard 6, Subject Maths. Children, today we are going to start our chapter number 10, that is Equations. Now, children, let's understand the meaning of equation. Let's discuss. Teacher, find two numbers and a mathematical operation to get the answer 15. The mathematical operation, children, you know, it is plus, minus, divide and multiplication. Now your teacher is asking the children to find an operation to get the answer 15. Sharvari, 5 multiplied by 3 gives 15 and 45 divided by 3 also gives 15. Shubhankar, 17 minus 2 gives 15 and 5 added to 10 also gives 15. So here all the four operations are used to get the answer 15. Teacher, very good. We see that the operations 5 multiplied by 3 and 17 minus 2 both give the same result. We write this as 5 multiplied by 3 equals to 17 minus 2. Now children, you all can see that 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. 17 minus 2 is also 15. So we can say that 5 multiplied by 3 is equals to 17 minus 2. We can also say that in mathematics, the sign of equality, this is the equal sign, or you can say sign of equality, shows that the numbers on both its sides are equal. When equal sign is shown, means the numbers are equal on both the sides. They may be the result of different operations on the left and right hand sides. Such an expression of equality is called an equation. Children, let's discuss some more examples. See, now 15 minus 3. What is the answer? Yes, it is 12. And 6 multiplied by 2. Same answer, 12. So here we can say that 15 minus 3 is equals to 6 multiplied by 2. Or we can write in the reverse order. 6 multiplied by 2 is equals to 15 minus 3. Children, one more example. Suppose 8 plus 5 is equals to 30. And 39 divided by 3 is equals to 30. Here what we can see that here the answer of both the mathematical operation is same. So here we can say that 8 plus 5 is equals to 39 divided by 3. Or we can say 39 divided by 3 is equals to 8 plus 5. We can write in the reverse order also. Now here this is on your left hand side. So this is your left hand side and this is your right hand side. Here your left hand side is changed. This is the left hand side and this is your right hand side. Here we can call as it as equality. Here both the answers have, both the operations are having same answer. So this is called as an equality. Now children, let's see this. You can see a weighing scale. If there are equal weights in both pans of a weighing scale, then the scale is balanced. This you know properly. Whenever we are going to market to buy some things, so the salesman is giving us the things by putting it in a weighing scale. So here you can see if left hand side is equals to right hand side, then it is having a proper measure. Such a balanced scale is like an equation. Here we can see this midpoint. It states that both the sides are having the same weight. So it's a nice example of an equation. Now I know. In mathematics, an equation is a statement that asserts the equality of two expressions which are connected by the equals sign. An equation says that two things are equal. It will have an equals sign like this. Children, here one example is given. 7 plus 2 is equals to 10 minus 1. Here both the expressions are having the same answer. So here what we can say, that left hand side is equals to right hand side. That equation says what is on the left, 7 plus 2 is equal to what is on the right, 10 minus 1. So an equation is like a statement, this equals that. Now children, let's learn the solution of an equation. In the picture, the distance between the house and the school is seen to be 300 meters. This is the school and this is the house. Distance between house and school is 300 meters. On the same straight road, there is a shop between the school and the house. You can see a shop. The distance between the shop and the house is 190. Distance between shop and house is 190. Now, what is the distance between the school and the shop? Now, we have to find distance between shop and school. Now, this, if we are solving in the equation form, see how. See, we can use a letter for a number. Now, by subtracting, you can find the answer very easily. Now, see. Teacher, see how the given information is shown in the picture above. Now here you can see school is written, here shop and here house. Distance between school and shop is written as x meter. This is 190 and full distance is 300. Sujata, sir, why is the distance from the shop to the school shown as x? Teacher, instead of writing the number, we suppose that the distance is x. That is the distance we have to find. Now we have to find. So we have written here x. Till we do so, we write it as x. Sami, then the sum of x and 190 should be 300. Yes, the sum of x and 190, it should be the full distance, that is 300. Teacher, that's right. Let's write this in the form of an equation. Remember that x is a number, but we do not know its value yet. Now here, see, x plus 190 equals to 300. Now what is the value of x here? Children, we have got here our equation. X plus 190 equals to 300. Now here we have to find the value of x. Now in an equation, a letter is sometimes used in a place of a number. A value for the letter has to be found that will make the equation balanced. Such a letter is called a variable. This we have taken an alphabet. So this alphabet is called a variable. The value of the variable which balances or satisfies the equation is called the solution to the equation. To solve an equation is to find the value of the variable in the equation or to find the solution to the equation. See, if we are finding the value of x, so what will happen? Here, suppose we got the answer 110. So if we are writing 110 plus 190, your answer will be 300. So, children, let's discuss some examples of equation. Equation number first. X minus 5 is equals to 10. Here, what number should be in place of x? Or we can say 5 should be subtracted from which number to get 10. So here your solution will be x equals to 15. If x is in place of 15, your equation is balanced. Equation number 2. 15 plus x equals to 20. Here which number should be in place of x to get answer 20 or to be added with 15 to get answer 20. So here your solution will be x equals to 5. So, your equation will be balanced. Equation number 3. 26 divided by x equals to 13. 26 divided by which number to get 13? So, here your x will be 2 to get the equation to be balanced. Equation number 4. X multiplied by 5 is equals to 15. What number should be multiplied by 5 to get 15? So here your value of x will be x equals to 3 to get the equation balance. Means left hand side is equals to right hand side. So here x equals to 15 is the solution of first equation. X equals to 5 is the solution of second equation. X equals to 2 is the solution of third equation. And x equals to 3 is the solution of fourth equation. I hope children you all have got it. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Take care everyone. Bye.